Today I'm taking you on a tour of an inside cabin. It's an IB grade and it's cabin 1084. Just going to take you a walk along the corridor to show you where the laundrette is and the main atrium. I just feel this is a really good position if you want to get to the central atrium for all your other parts of the ship. We've also got the water filler there, which is and your laundrette is here. Everything is free here to use the machines, and also powder and the sheets to go in the dryers is also included. Thanks again for watching our inside cabin tour. If you're interested in seeing other cabins on Queen Anne, just click the playlist above and choose them from the list. Thank you.